Mining is, I think, is a rough business for sure. Now, most miners are getting, sub 4 cents. I haven't seen any reports of electricity costs lately, but a lot of miners are doing okay. But pre-halving, right? If
Yeah,
they're getting good energy costs, but then you have to factor in overhead and you know
warehouse, commercial transformers.
salaries and all that other stuff. I don't know. It seems
Oh,
like a
it's
very rough business.
all the real flashy miners that were posting badass warehouses on Twitter and stuff like that. They didn't make it. It's
No.
like it's we got to find the scrappy miners and see where they're hanging out and what they're doing. Because like to this day, I've looked for someone who Zcash mines. Never seen one, and I know they sell them, and I know someone's doing the hash rate, but I can't find them to save my life. But at the same time, maybe the anonymity of Zcash miners is the point. But I don't know, because you can find Litecoin miner people, but I've never found that one. I keep telling Zach Val to find one for me, but he can't find them either.
Yeah, I don't hear too much about other than Bitcoin. I hear nothing about anything else anymore. ETH was the other big one that you'd have people with like GPU farms, but it's funny that Nvidia benefited from the ETH mining craze, and now they're benefiting from AI.
Yeah,
Like, talk about a
exactly.
company that's just continuously selling shovels to whatever crazy mania is going on. Like, just insane. Right place,
Yeah,
right time.
they're we've got a guy in the Rainbow Trends Discord that does like cloud or does like mining rigs for like to build supercomputers and stuff like that. And now he's pivoted over to like AI, and he's like, he's like, because I was asking him, I was like, is there any chance like a competitor could come up? And he says, I don't think so. He says all the AI infrastructure is built specifically to run on like NVIDIA hardware. So he's like, they're just going to keep, like you said, handing out shovels until this thing goes crazy because like Doppel saying in the chat, like all those people that had the F mining GPUs, they've switched over to renting GPU time out for the AI stuff. I need to look into that more, Doppel, actually.
I
Oh,
think
no.
a lot of these like data center miners are going to be switching over to AI. I think Hive is one that is already doing that. Core Scientific would be another one that has the infrastructure. I know they're like going under bankruptcy proceedings and whatever else, but I could see a lot of those hosting centers, data centers, switching hands to focus on AI type stuff.
So you got the 3 day open for F. Now, you mentioned in the beginning you don't like Ethereum clouds on the daily, but you like it on the 3 day and the weekly, right?
Well, the thing is, like, what is the daily going to tell you? If I'm flipping around timeframes right now, is the daily going to really tell you anything? My argument would be no. Like, yes, we're on the bullish side of the cloud, but we're not 2021, 2020, where we're just constantly crushing highs. When that's the case, I like to move up on the time frame for sure.